Up, Kid Too Technical. I'm back again with another video, and as you can see, today I will be unboxing the OnePlus 12. So I picked this up on OnePlus's website. I pretty much traded in my old iPhone 13 Pro Max, and they were able to give me 500 off. And I also used 30% off gift card coupon code, and it made this come out to $335 and some change. So pretty much it says 12. The bottom here it says OnePlus X Hasselblad. In the back here, they gave you a choice. You could get the 256 or the 512 for the exact same price. So I got the 16 gigabyte 512 gigabytes of storage. This is the first time I ever had a device with 500 gigabytes of storage. I got the silky black variant. So now I'm just going to unbox this real quick. Let's check it out. Hold on, bear with me. Let me get my knife. I am excited for this device. I'm ready to check it out and see what this device has to offer. This is also currently running the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, the newest Snapdragon Qualcomm processor of 2024. Make sure I cut everything off good. So yeah, I did not want to get the S24 Ultra this year because I knew a lot of different people would be reviewing that anyway. So I said, let me do something different. Anyways, you are greeted with some papers right here. So this is just your OTG cable for transferring your data and so on and so on. I will not need that though. You do get your books that you will get a OnePlus red card, a red cable card. Get your SIMS ejection tool. You also get you some Never Settle stickers from OnePlus, which is very, very, very nice. Very nice, very nice. And then you are greeted with the lovely OnePlus 12. Woo! Look at that camera back there. Boy, that's a big, big camera. I'm going to put this down for now. And then at the bottom here, like Samsung, Apple, you do get a charging plug, which is nice. And this is I think this is the 60 watt charging cable. Man, that's crazy. Not only do they give you a cable, they give you the biggest cable, the fastest charging cable. That's a nice touch. And you also get the red USB-C to USB charging cable. But right now we're just going to place everything back in there for now. But I probably will end up using this cable because this is the fastest cable to charge the phone with. Put everything back in there like so. Well, not that, but let's close it up like so. There. Now to this phone. Woo! I like that. I know a lot of people are like, oh, the curved display, I don't like it. I like flat. Well, I'm actually a fan of curved displays. This looks amazing. It does have like a little plastic screen protector already on there, so I'm probably gonna just leave that on there until I get a screen protector for this device. But anyways, at the top here, which is nice, you do get an IR blaster, and I will actually be making use of that because my remote to my TV is actually messed up right now. So this actually will come in handy for that use purpose only. Man, that silky black looks amazing. I like that. You can hear how it feels. You don't have to worry about getting fingerprints on this. And I didn't know that camera was that big. I knew it was big, but look at that camera, y'all. That is a hunk of a camera on this OnePlus 12. And at the bottom here, you get all the cables that you would need. Man, this looks nice. So let's turn it on for the first time. Or let's see if it has any juice. And it has powered up. OnePlus, powered by Android. This has a 6.82-inch screen display, a little bit bigger than the S24 Ultra display, but not, not too bad. But anyways, it says hello. But pretty much this was just a little quick unboxing of me unboxing the OnePlus 12. I'll be back again with more videos about this device, but I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.